This is a wonderful turnout for a very important cause, which is for Parkinson's disease, which, as you probably know, is affecting many more people yearly than in the past, and has a long way to go, but is well on the trail to some cure or some prevention methods.
This organization has done more for people with Parkinson's than practically anybody else. It had no staff, and now it serves the entire Parkinson's community. There are 1 million to 1.5 million people in the country with Parkinson's, and Parkinson's Action Network is their advocate organization.
This event is always very gratifying for us because it just epitomizes the support that the Parkinson's Action Network has in Washington. We have so many outstanding people. You've spoken to many of them who come this evening because they care about the Parkinson's community and they care about the work we do, public policy issues for Parkinson's disease and biomedical research.
I'm always delighted to be a part of this event because it's so important. It raises funds to help continue the work on Capitol Hill that has to be done in order to ensure there is money for research.
There are hundreds and thousands of scientists working really hard in laboratories across this country, funded by the National Institutes of Health, working on how to reduce the burden of Parkinson's disease. So I'm just representing an army of people who are really committed to making a difference.
And it's an extraordinary honor to be receiving this award. I never dreamed I would be receiving it or be selected as one of the recipients. PAN is the very important cause. They're the voice of the Parkinson's community, and I urge for everyone to please help fund their efforts.
Parkinson's disease is a horrible thing, but we're going to lick it, and there's so many treatments out there. My role as a neurosurgeon is to help people through their disease journey, so to speak. But I'm really happy that Amy Comstock-Rick has really moved this organization in such a positive way for so many years.
It's always a nice opportunity to report back on what the DoD has been doing with research dollars that are dedicated to Parkinson's research. These research dollars are also dual-use dollars that help support military medical research objectives. And we've made some great progress thanks to especially the Parkinson's Action Network and all the people who've supported this.
On behalf of Comcast, it's great being here. We really look forward to supporting the organization and all the great work that they've been doing for Parkinson's research and trying to find a cure.
I work for Medtronic, and we make technology that helps alleviate the symptoms of Parkinson's disease, and we work in strong partnership with advocacy groups like PAN. And we're hoping that with continued efforts on behalf of industry, working with science and technology and advocacy, that we'll find a cure one day. So it's thrilling to be here and see the award recipients and see how our money is being used effectively.
Very humbled to receive this award because really there are a whole lot of people who have done a lot more work to try and make sure that we rally the country, but I'm pleased as a member of Congress to be able to work with those individuals and those families to try and make sure that we address Parkinson's with the kind of urgency and steadiness that requires.
It's important that they stand up for research, that they insist that we invest strongly in the National Institutes of Health and the other agencies in this country that translate what is now only hope today into better health and well-being and economic prosperity in the future.
The cure is always just around the corner, but there's an infinite number of corners, and I just really admire the perseverance of people who keep fighting this disease and the resilience of people who are dealing with it and their loved ones.
For those who are interested in the work of the Parkinson's Action Network, they can go to www.parkinsonsaction.org.